Hi, today I'm going to make Cineraria, a really pretty bunch of flowers. Very easy to make with beautiful shaped leaves. Materials required are crepe paper in green, white and purple or purplish blue. This is green floral tape. This is liquid fabric color, but you can use ink if that is easily available, a thin wire and some thick wires. All the measurements are in centimeters. This is for a stamen. This is 20 centimeters by 1.25 centimeters. Cut one strip per flower. This is for the petal. This is 3 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Cut one strip. This is the stencil for a leaf. This is 9.5 by 8 centimeters. Of course, this flower's leaves go, they become bigger than this if you want to make them. Take a piece of thin wire, about 12 centimeters long, and this is the strip for the stamen. So first just fold it half and then half again. And then just cut thin strips on it. Like so. So I'll just cut the entire length. Now cut a piece of the green tape. And wind it on top of this wire, one end of the wire. Now take the strip, stretch it a bit so it straightens out. Apply glue. And wind it, keeping the wire like this. Try to keep them at the same height as you're winding them. Like so. Take the strip for the petals, fold it in half and then again half. On the folded side, just give a cut, leaving about 1 to half a centimeter at one side, and then divide this into 4. And then just take each stack of strip and First cut off the corner and then just give a little indentation in the middle, like so. So I'll do with the others also. So open it out. This is how it will look. Now take this blue ink type of paint. It should be liquidy, the color, not thick, and just touch the edge of the petal. So you notice the color is running towards inside. So depending how much you want to color, like this. So I'll color all of them in the same way, keeping the same width of color. After it has dried, just take each petal and stretch the middle portion slightly. Like so, and I'll do with the others. Now just apply glue at the base. Take the center and stick it like so. After the first round, try to position by stretching the paper a bit, each petal between the gaps in the previous ones. Take some green tape and wind it from the base of the flower till the end of the wire. Now open out the petals. And then curl them. Just hold them. Like this. For the leaf, take a piece of thin wire. So this is around 17 to 18 centimeters long. first on the leaf, just make the veins with the edge of the knife or the scissors if it's not sharp. So just score. So this is how it will look. Now turn it over and apply glue on it. Take some green tape, stretch it and wind it on this wire. And stick it on this leaf. Like so. Now to finish, take a long piece of the green tape, stretch it, take a thick wire and one flower. So I'm just going to attach the flowers. Keep this one slightly lower than the previous one. So you can attach quite a few flowers, like up to 15 or 20 flowers. Made a few. Take a leaf. Bend the leaves. And the flowers, just open them out a little. like so. And this is how the bunch would look. Hi, today I'm going to make Cineraria. A very pretty flowers